Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. My name is Anna. I'm very happy you are here today. Thank you for choosing to learn English with me. That is a very good choice. This podcast is made for beginners. If you are learning English step by step, slowly and calmly, you are in the right place. Here, you do not need to hurry. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to listen. And try. If you feel shy when speaking English, that is okay. Many people feel the same way. Little by little, your confidence will grow. Today's topic is simple, but it is also very useful. People talk about this topic every day. At work, at school, with friends, with family. Here is today's question. Are you a morning person or a night person? A morning person likes the morning. A night person likes the night. As you listen today, please repeat some sentences out loud. You can pause the video anytime. You can listen again. That is how learning happens. You can also download today's worksheet. The link is in the description. You can practice after listening. If you enjoy this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to English with Mr. Bond, and share it with a friend. Now, take a deep breath. Pause. Let's begin. Let's talk about morning people. A morning person wakes up early. Some people wake up very early, at 5 in the morning, at 6 in the morning, at 7 in the morning. Morning people often say, "I feel good in the morning." In the morning, the world feels calm. The streets are quiet. The sky is bright. The air feels fresh. Many morning people enjoy this feeling. When a morning person wakes up, they usually get out of bed quickly. They do not press the alarm many times. They may do these things. They drink water. They wash their face. They brush their teeth. They make coffee or tea. Make coffee. Make coffee. Some morning people like silence. Some like soft music. Some like to think quietly. Morning people often feel productive. Productive means you can do your work well. You can focus. You can finish tasks. Repeat with me. I wake up early. I feel calm in the morning. I am productive in the morning. The morning is my best time. Very good. Morning people often eat breakfast slowly. They sit down. They enjoy their food. They feel ready for the day. Some people say, "When I wake up early, I feel strong." Say it with me. Slow. I feel strong in the morning. Excellent. Now let's talk about night people. A night person feels tired in the morning, but later in the day, they feel awake. Night people often feel their best. In the evening or at night, some night people feel awake at 8 p.m., some at 9, some very late at night. At night, the world feels different. There is less noise, fewer messages, more quiet time. Many night people like this quiet. At night, people may eat dinner slowly, sit on the sofa, watch a movie, read a book, relax. Many night people feel creative at night. Creative means you have ideas, you like to think, you like to write. Nighttime is a good time to study English. You can listen carefully. You can repeat sentences. Repeat with me. I am a night person. I feel awake at night. The night is quiet. I relax in the evening. Great job. Some people say, "I think better at night." Say it with me. I think better at night. Now let's talk about change. Can a night person become a morning person? Yes, but slowly. Change should not be fast. Fast change is hard. Small change is good change. Here are some gentle tips. Tip 1. Do not use your phone in bed. No phone. No phone. The phone light tells your brain, stay awake. Tip 2. Go to bed earlier, little by little. 10 minutes earlier today, 10 minutes earlier tomorrow. Small steps are powerful. Tip 3. Open your curtains in the morning. Sunlight helps your body wake up. If you are a morning person and you need to stay awake at night, take a short nap. Only 20 minutes, not long. And try tea instead of coffee at night. Listen to your body. Everyone is different. Now let's review everything slowly. Morning person, night person, early bird, night owl. Now answer these questions. Are you a morning person? Yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not. I'm a night person. Now choose one. Morning or night. Say a full sentence. I wake up early. Or, I sleep late. Another one. I feel better in the morning. Or, I feel better at night. Excellent. Repeat after me. I like the morning. I like the night. I am learning English. I am doing my best. Very good. You did an amazing job today. You listened carefully. You repeated words. You practiced sentences. This is how English grows. Remember this. There is no perfect learner. Every learner starts slowly. Some days are easy, some days are hard. But every day you practice, you become better. Please write a comment. Are you a morning person or a night person? Write one simple sentence. Don't forget to download the worksheet. Practice again later. Like the video. Subscribe to English with Mr. Bond. Small practice every day makes big progress. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep believing in yourself. See you next time on English with Mr. Bond. Bye-bye.